Hello students, welcome to standard 9 subject mathematics chapter 11 construction. This is lecture number 7 now. We are doing exercise 11.2. Question number 1 and 2 we have constructed. Question number 3 it is now. Construct a triangle PQR in which QR equals to 6 centimeter, angle Q equals to 60 degree and PR minus PQ equal to 2 centimeter. This question is very similar, looks like a question number 2 in which one base was given BC as 8 centimeter, one angle was given angle B equal to 45 degree and AB minus AC was given as 3.5 centimeter. Very similar question it is. So very similar will be the construction also. What is the difference that we will see in drawing the constructions. So the first we will note the given things here. Given is QR as a base is 6 centimeter. On that angle Q is 60 degree we have to draw, and the difference of PR minus PQ the other two sides is 2 centimeter must be in the triangle PQR. That type of to construct the triangle PQR with the given measures. So as we draw first the rough figure, we will understand what to do in this. So first we will draw the QR as base here, this way. QR base as of 6 centimeter. We will draw one angle Q on that 60 degree angle we want, that we will draw. 60 degree how to draw that you know. Let the ray QX making 60 degree angle. Now this time the QR is there. P point must be with the shorter distance here, so that when we join P to R, this PR minus PQ is 2 centimeter. That means PR must be longer. In the last lecture you know AB was longer and AC was shorter because AB minus AC was given. Here PQ is smaller and PR is greater. This is only the difference. So to show PR as bigger length, what to do we will see in the construction. Okay, let's start the construction now. The very first step, we have to draw QR as a base of 6 centimeter. That we will draw first. So this way we start our construction drawing the base as 6 centimeter QR. First step is done. 6 centimeter QR is drawn with the length. Now angle Q is equals to 60 degree we want on that we have to show. How to draw at 60 degree, that is very simple you know. You take some radius, suitable radius and center as Q, and with that suitable radius draw this way an arc intersecting QR at some point. Now put your rounder on this intersection point, that is center as this intersection point of arc and QR, and don't change the length of this radius we have taken previously, and intersect the previously drawn arc. Here it is intersecting, you know, this is only the point where 60 degree angle we will get. So we have to just construct a ray passing through this intersection point initiated with the Q point. This way ray QX is making 60 degree with QR, right? This is the second point also done. Now what to do with this 2 difference? If I take 2 difference on the same side of QX, our PQ will be greater than the PR. PQ will be greater than PR, but here PQ is less than PR. To make sure that PR is greater, we have to take the difference not on the QX side, but it's on opposite side we have to take the difference. So we will draw the opposite ray of QX on opposite side, this way. Opposite ray of QX we will draw and say this as QY. Why we have drawn opposite ray? Because on the same side if we take the difference, PQ will be greater than PR, but in the question PQ is not greater, PQ is less than PR and it is 2 less than PR. So our difference will not be on the same side of the ray making 60 degree. The difference will be on the opposite direction. This is only the difference between the question number 2 and question number 3. So now our work is take the center as q and take the radius as difference of given question 2 centimeter. 2 centimeter radius we will take this way. Difference of 2 centimeter taken. Take the center as q and intersect, draw an arc intersecting ray qi, which is opposite of ray qx. In opposite side we have taken the arc and it is intersecting qi at some point. There we will say as S, we can say this intersection point, and now join S to R, SR, right? And now the same work as we were doing in the last lecture also. Joining SR, whatever the line segment we are getting, we draw the perpendicular bisector of that new line segment. So we will draw the perpendicular bisector of SR. How to draw it? You know, we will take the center as R first and more than half length of SR. This is more than half length, you can see, right? Some bigger length also you can take this way, more than half length of SR taken. Now on both the side of SR, this side, upside and downside also, take some smaller length, so it must be suitable length we have to take, so it must not go to outside of the area. So I am taking this much of radius, more than half SR, and taking the radius as center as R. Draw this side an arc and this side also an arc. Taking the center as R, more than half length of SR, we have drawn both the side of SR, the two arcs. Now take your rounder on S, that is center as S, and by the same radius, don't change it, intersect the previously drawn arc on both the sides. Now join these two intersection points on both the sides of SR. This will give us the perpendicular bisector of SR. Now what to do? This perpendicular bisector of SR, this line, wherever it intersects QX, say there the third point of the triangle is P. P. Join P to R. So you can see PR is greater than PQ, and how much it is greater? Of 2 centimeter greater. So PR minus PQ will become 2 centimeter. QR is of 6 centimeter, and on angle Q is 60 degree. This way we have got our construction of triangle PQR, required triangle. We will see the steps here. So first step what we have done, construct QR such that QR equal to 6 centimeter, we have drawn first step. Then second step, construct a ray QX, we have drawn ray QX such that angle XQR is 60 degree angle. The next step what we have done, construct an opposite ray of opposite ray QI we have drawn of the ray QX. QX ray we got, and now its opposite ray QI we have drawn in the third step. Then what we have done, taking the center as Q and the radius as 2 centimeter, that is the difference of two sides given, that radius we have to take. Taking the center as Q, 2 centimeter radius, draw an arc, this way draw an arc to intersect the ray QI at S. Then what we have done, join RS, we have joined the RS, and then construct a perpendicular bisector of RS. Of RS, constructed the perpendicular bisector of RS this way to intersect the ray QX, where this perpendicular bisector of RS intersect QX at some point. They say this point as P, and then join PR. So the triangle PQR so formed is required triangle constructed. So you can see this is the question number 3. Only one difference is there between the question number 2 and 3. On question number 2, the difference was taken on the same side of the angle making ray, and in question number 3 we have taken the opposite side, the difference. Why? As we have understood, because in that question number 2 this area AB area was greater than AC area, but in this question number 3 this PQ area is less than PR, so we have to take the difference on the opposite side. So you are suggested to draw this construction 2-3 times to make sure and to be confident about it, and prepare this is the question number 3 of exercise 11.2. This is also very important of question for the exam point of view. It is asked in 4-mark question. Thank you.